So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a very simple pillowcase. So start by getting your chosen material. I chose a nice silky piece to keep my head cool in the summer. You just want to lay that out and then fold it in half so that you end up with 2 layers. So then measure it out so that it's 10 inches longer than you need it to be and 2 inches wider than you need it to be, unless you have a really fluffy pillowcase, in which case you'll need to do about 4 inches. And so then just cut those marked off areas. And then once you got your perfect rectangle cut out of your 2 layers there, just unfold it, flip it over, and fold it again so that the wrong sides are facing out. So then you just sew up one of the short sides and one of the long sides. Leave the other short side open, and then leave the bottom. The bottom will be folded, so that'll already be sewn closed. And if you don't have a sewing machine, then you can just hand sew. And when I'm done, I like to go back over the edges with a zigzag stitch. If you're hand sewing, you can just blanket stitch this, but to keep it from unraveling. So then once you've got that all sewn, measure 8 inches. And you want to put a little fold in there, about a 1/2 inch fold, and fold it toward the end of the pillowcase. And stick a pin in through it. You want to make sure this is only being folded through the top layer, since there's 2 layers to your pillowcase. And go all the way around. So here it is once it's all folded. And it's still inside out at this point as well. So then fold it off another 1/4 inch, and then fold the whole thing down to that fold so that all the raw edges are concealed inside. And just stick a pin in that. And you'll do that all the way around. Again, making sure that you're only pinning the top or bottom layer, whichever one you're working on. But you want to make sure that it's open so that you can stick a pillow in later. So then just sew all the way around, only sewing the 1 layer, but sew right on the fold line. So you get the whole fold in there, and the pillowcase should remain open. So here it is once the fold has been sewn. That's what it looks like on what will be the outside in a minute. So turn it outside, right side out. And here's what your little fold looks like. And then you got your extra few inches to overhang the pillow. Just past the fold. And then you can just slide your pillow right into your new pillowcase. And enjoy!